Hey, what's up? Welcome to DGen Ed. That's degenerative education, meaning none of this is financial advice. Just me having fun looking at charts like the chart behind me, which is of Rumble, ticker symbol RUM. And so here I am recording this on Monday, May 13th, after the market has closed, and Rumble closed at a price of $6.98, just 2 pennies below $7, but being up over 3% on the day and continuing higher than $7 a share in the after hours. And earnings are coming up tomorrow on May 14th in the after hours. They'll be hosting their earnings call at 5 p.m. Eastern, and I'd like to stream it. However, I feel like ticker symbol GOEV, Canoe, earnings call will bring in more viewers, but if this video gets more views, I'll host the Rumble one live. Otherwise, I'll do it later in the day. So if this gets a lot of views, I'll host this one, so make sure you share it if you do want to see that earnings call, see how the chart responds to it. But anyways, looking at the chart here, I do have this Fibonacci retracement here coming down from the high of $9.20 hit on March 13th, and then coming down to the low of $5.96 hit on April 16th. And from that low, there are two things that look pretty good to me. One is that it looks like we have gone up and reclaimed the 236 at $6.72. So while price is below $7 a share, I think it's still, a discount, based on the close, I should say, because in the after hours, it is higher than $7 a share. But being above the 236, I do think that looks really good. And also, since we have seen this consolidation following these moves to the upside, I think that looks like it could be a bull flag, and that following earnings, as long as we're still respecting $6.72 prior to the close, I think we could see a continuation higher, potentially reclaiming some of these levels, or maybe reclaiming this purple line right around $8, $8.20 a share. And so that purple line actually corresponds to what I view as a neckline for this inverse head and shoulders pattern that I have drawn here. And so if that is, in fact, an inverse head and shoulders pattern, we could be seeing a measured move, taking a measurement from the low up to that neckline, moving it to the break, and that could be sending price up to right around $12, $13 a share. So that's what I think is going to happen eventually. But that may not be happening right after earnings. But I do think that it looks really good. But I also do think it is quite possible that because we've formed this double top right above that neckline, it's possible that pattern has been negated, but still, I'm in the camp that this is a bull flag, and I think it's going higher. If it does pull back some following earnings, hopefully we don't see prices below $6 a share. If we do have these gaps to the downside right around $5, right around $3.50. So those could potentially be some levels to dip by at. But I don't think price is going below $6 a share. I, of course, could be wrong. I, of course, do have a bias. I think it's going up to 12 to 13. But yeah, those are just my thoughts. If you found them helpful, make sure you like the video, share your thoughts in the comments down below, and make sure you subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. And stay tuned for the earnings call stream, whether it's live or after the fact. I'll be doing that tomorrow. Take care, you guys.